and welcome to another wonderful day of kindergarten. Kindergarten is a wonderful place. You'll always have a big smile on your face. You'll learn lots of things, make lots of friends, and wish that kindergarten would never end. Kindergarten. We're going to kindergarten. Well, thank you so much for being here, for joining us, following along, and tuning in. I'm so glad to see you. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Weber, here to help you along on this wonderful journey that is life right now, kindergarten life. So this week we've been talking about stories that have to do with going to school, and we've also been talking about first sounds, beginning sounds. So that's like when I say a word like, sorry, I gotta like stretch. When I say a word like moon, what's the first sound that you hear in moon? Very good. And what about sun? Cat? K. Very good. We're focusing on that very first sound that you hear. So I'm gonna show you some pictures, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on first sounds. You're gonna tell me the first sound that you hear in the word. Like this picture, we have map. What is the very first sound that you hear in map? Good job. What about rock? What sound do you hear at the beginning of rock? Wig. Wig. What sound do you hear at the beginning of wig? W. Net. Net. What sound do you hear at the beginning of net? Sun. Sun. What sound do you hear at the beginning of sun? Hat. Hat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of hat? Very good. Doll. Doll. What's the first sound in doll? D. Jar. J. Jar. J. And what is the beginning sound that you hear in pot? Pot. P. Very good. Kiss your brain. Say, I can identify first sounds in a word. Good job. Okay, let's get into our story. We have a very quick story today. So we're talking about school, and this is called My School Bus. So that's the title of our story. So what do you think our story will, or what is the title? The title is the name of the book, and it tells us what the story is about. So what do we think the story is going to be about? A school bus. That's right. It says written by Stephen Schaefer. The author writes the story, and the illustrator draws the pictures. But wait a second, is this an illustrator? No, we must have a photographer because somebody took the picture, right? Interesting. So I wonder, could this be fiction or nonfiction? Fiction means fake or fantasy. Nonfiction means it could happen in real life. Probably nonfiction since they're photographs, right? All right, let's find out about our story. I like, that's our say word, like. L-I-K-E, I like you. Okay, you like me. Good job. I like to ride on my school bus. It takes me through my town. I see the library. Very nice. I see the fire station. I see the pond. So what places have we seen so far? We've seen the library, the fire station, and the pond. Very good. I see the school. It's time to get off the bus. That's a fancy school. Here is a map of my town. Can you find the places I saw? So there she is. There's her bus. That must be the library, the fire station, the pond, and her school. Very cool. A lot of things to see on her bus route. I see my friends at school. Yay! Cute! All right, like I said, that was a nice and quick story. Wasn't that great? Normally we would have an activity to go with it, but I did not send it home. So I am going to put a seesaw activity up. So go ahead and get started on your seesaw activity, and I will see you later. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you soon. Bye.